Good morning from the San Joaquin Marsh Wildlife Sanctuary. Just want to warn you, this is going to be a bird-heavy video. Located in Irvine, California, the marsh is a 300-acre constructed wetland. As well as a bird habitat, the site removes nitrates from the San Diego Creek's water before it enters the ecologically sensitive Upper Back Bay of Newport Beach. I brought along this bad boy today. Yeah, well done. Anyway, along with its network of trails, it also has educational and meeting facilities. I only discovered this about a year ago. Didn't realise it was here. But it's incredible. There's miles of trails, of course, birds for days. I think 200 species are known to come through here at some point. So you're going to see all kinds of stuff. A technical term. Trying to shoot steady video on a 600mm lens is difficult. I mean, who knew? There's a network of paths in and around the ponds. You never know what you're going to get because they're tree lined and there's all this shrubbery, and you walk around the corner and you might bump into something. All around me, there's just, what's that? Chirp, chirp, what's that? Oh, what's that? It's just amazing. I don't know where to turn. There's swallows darting all around me, but there's no way I'm going to film them or photograph them on the wing. You can have them on a branch. Isn't this lovely? If you don't agree, what's wrong with you? While we are in suburbia and near a pretty busy airport, 300 acres for wildlife is pretty good going. Time to head back, I think. It's the end of April right now. It's a little quieter than it was in February when I've been here previously, but I had a great time, and it's just so peaceful and surrounded by nature. I mean, it's just beautiful.